There you go. Welcome to another shave video. This stuff, pure silk. Really very slick silk stuff. Silky stuff. So hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing okay. Having a good time. Enjoying your shaves and your new products, because I know you've had some. Don't we all? This stuff is like silk. It's so silky. Beautiful stuff. PAA Blue Phantom Air Light for today. And today's shave concentrating on a particular soap and scent, and it's H.A.G.S Resurrection. You can see there sort of like a swamp monster sort of thing. Zombie. This has got like a fresh aquatic kind of scent. Sort of reminds me of H.A.G.S or what was the other one? Another one. Anyway, Izumaki Porom, Lotus Porom. It's got that kind of vibe. If you ever smelled any of those two fragrances, you got a rough idea. So, using PAA thingy, the handle, and the H.A.G.S head, and the Gillette silver blue on its, I think it's its second use, this blade. So yeah, hope you're doing okay. I've been watching many videos and just general stuff, work, nothing really interesting, apart from having to take my car in for service, and I found the ball joint and one of the suspension needed doing, and then the latch for the boot, which I knew about. Rear brakes were binding a bit, so they needed cleaning, I knew that. Many other things, service, total, everything, get the car perfect condition, 900 quid. Anyway, so let's get on with my first pass. Okay, first pass. Yeah, 900 quid, but car's in immaculate shape. It's an older car, 2011 diesel. I've had a fair bit done to it. It's higher mileage now, so things are going to start to go, but when you've got a 900 quid bill for a car, then it doesn't depress you, but don't want to give up the money, you know. But this stuff is nice slick soap. Scent strength about 5 out of 10. Just nice, you know. It's just medium. The other one, can't remember. I got a Resurrection and something else. That one's seems to be a bit stronger in its scent. Compared to this one. This one's I think it's like a non-vegan version, and if you look right here, it also has a Guinness sign. It's actually got some Guinness beer in the formulation. I will say it's pretty slick soap. It's a nice scent. If you like aquatic scents, which I do, so you like smelling of sea, the sort of a bit salty, fresh, a little citrusy, then you're going to like this one. This one needs more right on the sort of aquatics, a little bit of citrus, but really smells like a little woody with a little salty. It's like a sea salt kind of a sea water kind of smell. And I personally like to wear those as colognes. Again, things like H.A.G.S that sort of thing. They are probably my favourite go-tos. Easy to wear stuff, so first pass. Very nice. Nice and slick. Plenty of slickness there once you put a bit of water there. So, very nice. Again, same strength isn't massive, but it's just nice. So, we leather, reapply a second pass. Well, yeah, nice stuff, good stuff. I quite enjoy Hags and their scents. I've only got the two at the moment, but they're performing well and smelling nice, so I might get a few more of these. So let's go with my second and final pass. Okay, second and final pass. I don't think you can honestly beat this Gillette. This H.A.G.S D89 head. I mean, you can buy a head separately, and then just put any handle you want on it, and you've got your favourite razor. Really, I love this handle, and I really like the H.A.G.S head, so. They seem to work okay. Yeah, look like they should be together, sort of thing. Don't know if you agree, but that looks, looks okay in my book. Definitely got a bit of medium aggression. I feel the blade a little bit, and definitely doing its job. It's not gonna be so aggressive that you gotta cut yourself a lot. Pretty good. Yeah, and most people say the H.A.G.S is a nice starter. It's a bit of medium aggression, I would say, and I don't know. But I would probably go with something a little milder. If it was somebody's first one, and I was saying, trying to encourage someone to try it, I would personally go with something else. This one is sort of after you've learned to shave a little bit, then move up to this one. I think it'd be a little better than having it for you first. This soap is pretty good. That is an amazing shave. That is very protective. still gives nice slickness. You know, you're going to have to put a few washes down to get it off. So, reminder, is going to be a nice face wash. Creamy stuff this, I mean, yeah, really slick and creamy. So if you like that type, you know, it's more like a, when it's on the face, it's more like a cream. It's that sort of creamy feel to it. Then you're going to enjoy this soap. So, I'm going to face wash and then come back in a minute with my post shave. Really good. Hydrated, but not overly so, just nice. It feels pliant, squishy. It's very nice. And H.A.G.S every time, perfect. So, going with the aftershave splash for Resurrection. It does say on here, shake well before use. And this is, I think is the non-alcoholic version, or alcohol version, alcoholic. And it comes out a bit like a milk, a very sort of watery milk kind of thing. I don't know if I'll have to show it. Drop a bit, see? A bit like a milk, but very watery milk. So, nursing, obviously. Nice smell, obviously a bit heavier of a smell compared to the soap. So you're going to get like what the full scent is once you apply the aftershave. I think you can get it in alcohol as well. I wanted to try out the non-alcoholic version, and yeah, very nice. And it says, well, I'll get into that in a minute. So, nice. I mean, I would say more the grapefruit and the juniper, and again I'll get to the notes in a second. So, use this time my PAA handle with the removable tip. Got the blue one on. H.A.G.S D89 head with a second use Gillette silver blue. Great blades for me. Blue Phantom Aerolite 26mm by PAA. New brush, one of my favourites. Oh, it's a little big on the knot for me. I like 24, but it does its job. Resurrection soap by H.A.G.S. And they say on the back it has. It says grapefruit, mandarin orange, seawater, juniper, musk, and amberwood. And I would say for me it's grapefruit, seawater, juniper, and musk. That's what I sort of get from it. Very nice. It's really good. So say it's the non-vegan, so it's the non-vegan version, and it's got some Guinness alcohol in there. And finished off with the aftershave splash non-alcohol version. And that, my friends, is a brilliant shave. Fantastic. So hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did the shave today. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. It really helped me out, and I'll see you guys soon on the next one.